Marty Schwartz here, GuitarJams.com. I had a lot of success with you guys with the 5 shapes of the minor pentatonic scale. So I'm going to give you the 5 shapes of the major pentatonic scale right now. And then also I always have a bunch of cool stuff. I've got some cool blues style lessons that are not on YouTube. You can click the link below to check those out as well. I really appreciate it. But let me show you those shapes. Here are the shapes of the A major pentatonic. We're going to really still pay attention to where all the roots are. So put our pinky on the 5th fret of the E string. That's our root. And then we have this position. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 5. That same position, but the root's there. And then the root's also on the 2nd fret of the G. And it's on the 5th fret of the high E. Five, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5. Alright, the next position would be 7, 4, 4, 7, 4, 6, 5, 7, 5, 7. And the roots. Okay, the next position has a root right there on the 7th of the D and 10 of the B. Okay, and it looks like this. Real nice one, actually. Just remember the root's down there. So you'd have 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9. Then you'd have 6, 9. Then 7, 10 on the B, and then 7, 9 on the high E. Root. Root. Alright, the next one is going to be, the root's going to be on the 12 of the A, and still 10 on the B in that other position. Looks like this. 9, 12 on the E, same thing on the A. Then 9, 11, 9, 11. Then 10, 12. Then 9, 12. Alright, still got the root right here. And we're going to do this. And it's 12, 14, 12, 14, 11, 14, 11, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14. And then what we're left with is the first position I taught you again, because we're back to the A, all the way up to the 17th fret, and you're just back here in our home row master position. Here they are, one more time. That was it. Hope that helped. Hope it was another piece of the puzzle for you. I'll see you in another lesson real soon, hopefully. Take care. See ya.